Hey everyone, ever feel like your love for heels is a love-hate relationship? You adore the look, but the pain? Not so much. Today, I'm here to help you say goodbye to heel pain with some simple tips and exercises. Let's dive right in. First off, choosing the right heel is crucial. Block heels and wedges are your new best friends. They distribute your weight more evenly, giving your ankles, knees, and back a break. Also, open-toe heels are a smarter choice. They keep your toes from being squished, reducing pressure on the front of your foot. Aim for a heel height of around 2 inches. Trust me, your feet will thank you. Now let's talk about some quick exercises to ease the pain after a day in heels. Grab a ball and roll it under your foot for about 20 seconds. It's like a mini massage. Next, spread your toes and rotate your ankles. Do this a couple of times to loosen up those joints. Ankle stretches are a must. Move your ankles up and down for 3 sets of 20 reps. Feel that stretch? That's relief coming your way. Lastly, alternating leg raises can help, especially if you're battling knee or neck pain. Lift one leg then the other and keep it going. If you're experiencing severe pain, especially in your neck or knees, it might be linked to more serious issues like a slipped disc. I'll cover more on that in another video, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Say goodbye to heel pain and hello to happy feet. See you next time.